In this lesson, what we are going to do is we are going to look at most common grammatical errors by Indians, and this is the past one. This is the part one. We will start with the most common mistake that Indians make. It's not anyways, it's anyway. It's not anyways, what's up, anyways, never mind. It's anyway. I think this is one of the most common mistakes that people make, and they shouldn't. It's anyway. Often, what happens is that we use only, and that is extra, that is not required. If someone asks you in an interview, where are you from? And if the interview is happening in Delhi and the person says, I'm from Delhi only, this is wrong English. What the person should say is, I'm from Delhi or I'm originally from Delhi. Again, according to me, according means with this, according is always to someone else. You cannot have according to me. Rather say in my opinion or as per my point of view. According to me is wrong. Marriage versus wedding. A lot of time it happens that you start saying marriage anniversary, or you say that you're going to a marriage. So let's understand the basic difference between these two words. Marriage is a state of relationship. It's a social constitution. But wedding is an event where two people get married. So you go to a, so this is wrong, just ignore the mistake. You go to a wedding, not marriage, and you celebrate a wedding anniversary. This is very important to know the difference between marriage versus wedding. Giving an exam versus taking an exam. For example, the question is, when did you give your UPSC prelims, or when did you give your JEE exam? This is wrong. You don't give an exam, you take an exam. The question should be, when did you take your UPSC prelims? I took my exams last month is the right answer. It's not I gave my exam. It should be you take an exam. You take an exam, you do not give an exam. Just note that. Giving versus taking an exam. Doubt versus question. I have a doubt is wrong. Doubt as a word is used for, has a negative connotation. What you should say is that I have a question. I have a doubt is wrong usage. Reply back versus reply. Reply itself means a response to something. So you do not reply back, you reply. Passing out versus graduating. A lot of time people says I passed out of college in 2012, I passed out of college in 2014. You need to remember, you graduate from an institution when you complete your studies. You don't pass out. Pass out is something you do when you get drunk or when you drink too much.